Howdy folks, I'm Puddles, the all-about anal courtesy bottom correspondent for the Blue Ball Report. I'm proud to announce the Puddles XXX Mass Glory Holeygay Special, released this Friday, December 18th on the Blue Ball Report. Mark your calendar for the festive premiere at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time right here on YouTube. Stay tuned for a sneak preview and an invitation to the exclusive Zoom after party with the stars following the premiere. For the best holiday gifts, check out Blue Ball Apparel, featuring limited edition designs that can change at any moment, so check them out today, including a hot t-shirt with me on it. Join our email subscriber fans to get episodes delivered to your inbox and save 10% off. See the video description for links or find them all at blueballreport.com. And now, a sneak preview of Puddles XXX My Ass Glory Holeygay Special. At an orgy full of poles, pass around my gaping hole. It's Puddles, the courtesy bottom. Happy holidays! Let's make the best of a holiday season that officially sucks ass. I have some special slutty XXX My Ass carols for all of you. Fa la 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 la. Joy to the world, for Trump is gone. Jiggle butts, hella super gay. Oh, what fun it is to ride big fat cocks today. Hey! Okay, that was kind of slutty. Providing pass around the party bottom services is busy work. This Holeygay special will be released to the Blue Ball Report this Friday, December 18th. Please join us for the premiere at 8 p.m. PST that night right here on YouTube. Afterward, please join my email subscriber fans on Zoom for an exclusive after party. Meet other sex-positive blue ballers, the stars of the show for a Q&A, and dance to DJ Trevor Pearson. After party invitation and Zoom details will be emailed to email subscriber fans old and new. There's still time to join at subscribe.blueballreport.com. Until then, check out more of my amazing videos, including the American Dream, in this playlist here and in the video description. Hope to see you there.